And this campaign exact match keywords has 46 conversions. So let's talk about Google Ads auctions, and there are two auctions. You won't artificially create 30 out of those 20 people. This data, past interaction with ads, website and apps, search history and keywords. It's a strong signal that you have to use target CPA or target ROAS. Hi guys, in this video I would like to share with you strategies that we used for lead gen business, local business, and we will discuss how Google Ads bidding strategy works. So let's go to our Google Ads panel, and here we have two campaigns. First campaign here is broad campaign, and it's using broad match keywords with target CPA smart bidding, and second campaign using best keywords from broad, but we paste here these keywords in exact. And so the best performing keywords are now also in this campaign. And why we did this? First of all, let's discuss performance of this campaign. So this broad campaign had 54 conversions in the last 14 days, and this campaign exact match keywords has 46 conversions and 19 zloty CPA, and this broad campaign has 25 zloty cost per acquisition. So let's discuss how this strategy works and why I did two campaigns basically targeting the same keywords, but one campaign into broad and second campaign into exact. So let's go to my presentation. So strategy overview, as I said, max clicks campaign using 1/4 of the budget earns inexpensive first clicks, because goal of the max clicks is getting you cheap clicks, but not conversions. So in theory, but I will share with you information later how it can get you conversion, because as you see here, 46 conversions on exact match campaign with max clicks, which not designed to bring you conversions. So max clicks 1/4 of the budget earns inexpensive first clicks, while broad target CPA using 3/4 of the budget will remarket to those users. Since max clicks is only getting 1/4 of the budget, it can acquire 1000 clicks compared to 1500 clicks for broad target CPA, which requires 3/4 of the budget and has a higher CPC. So if we can acquire cheap clicks from max clicks, and we can scale that while reducing target CPA on broad, and also we can stay within same budget. So let's talk about Google Ads auctions, and there are two auctions. And as Ginny Marvin said here in LinkedIn, Ginny Marvin is ads product liaison at Google, and she said that smart bidding doesn't optimize for incremental impression delivery. So what does it mean? So if you have, for example, 100 person and 20 will convert and 80 won't convert, so even if you increase budget and increase target CPA, you won't artificially create 30 out of those 20 people. Yeah? And also I would like to share with you that we have systems that we created for Google Ads, email marketing, Facebook ads, and SEO. And if you want to check this Google Drive system, you can click the link below. Here we have, for example, checklist how to implement lead generation campaign from scratch. So here we have tracking, all about tracking. Here we have SOPs, how to track these conversions, how to onboard client, and everything for lead generation campaigns. And also, yes, so you will just pay more for same 20 people. So what she said also here, that if you want to enter another auction with those 80 people, you can use manual bidding. So what does it mean in practice? So 20/80 rule as an example. So as Ginny Marvin said, smart bidding is not designed for incremental impression delivery. If there are 20 people who will convert and you want to scale your campaign, it won't artificially create 30 out of those 20. Instead, you will simply pay more for the same 20 people as a result of increasing your target CPA or budget for scaling, as I said before. So who will take those 20 that will convert? And as you know, Google's narrative suggests that we all need to use smart bidding. And basically, which is designed to increase our ad spend, because every advertiser using smart bidding and enters the same auction, and that's why this auction stays very competitive, and we have to pay more for these 20 people. Who will take those people? the advertiser with the highest target CPA and budget. And for Google, it's okay because they will earn more because people spending big budget for these 20 people. So how we can reach other 80 people, and why does Google think that they won't convert? So let's go here. And why does Google think that 80 won't convert? It doesn't necessarily mean that Google thinks that they won't convert. Google just basically don't have information about that people, and even if you use in target CPA, Google won't risk to show these ads to 80% that won't convert because Google doesn't have enough data for those people, so it won't risk because you've set target CPA. Why to risk when we can show our ads to those 20 people? So how he predicts conversion likelihood? Google analyzes this data, past interaction with ads, website and apps, search history and keywords, time of day and frequency of searches, age, gender, location, interest and online activity based on browsing behavior, device and platform data, operating system and browser type, conversion history, previous purchase or form submission. So if person submitted form on other website, it means that if this person searching another query, this person will have higher likelihood of conversion because their behavior pattern is to submit forms. So Google will show your ads often for those type of people. Engagement with similar businesses, also it's very clear. And manual bidding to reach those 80. So as I mentioned earlier, 20 people that will convert will take the campaign with smart bidding and the highest target CPA cap. To reach those 80, another 80 that Google thinks won't convert, you can use manual bidding strategy or max clicks to enter those auctions. But if you don't want to scale, you just can stay within this broad match campaign using target CPA and broad match, and you will be okay. How to understand if you reach the full market penetration? Just look at the click share. If it's about 70-80%, it's time to scale and to launch max clicks to fit this target CPA with broad. If you have, for example, 30%, 40% in your broad match campaign plus target CPA, you can stay with this campaign and increase budget to reach those 70-80% of click share. And when can target CPA and target ROAS be weak? So, for example, here I have example when we have short customer journey, we saw 1,000 searches and 700 converted, one click, one sale, and 300 didn't convert. And out of those 300, only about 15 might still be actively searching. And if you're using restricted bidding strategy, it will divide those 15 remaining people between 3 advertisers. So you will get only leftovers. Why? Because target ROAS is not smart enough, and it will show your ads to existing customers and for remarketing lists, because that's why Google said that you don't have to use a remarketing list in your smart bidding campaigns, because Google already knows if that person was on your website or not. But if you have a longer sales cycle, now you have 1,000 people, 200 converted and 800 didn't, but they are still in their journey. So we can retarget them more effectively with this target CPA. So when they will search again, we have that amount of people, 800 that didn't convert, and target ROAS and target CPA already knows that this person already was on your website, so it will bid higher for those people. And here, for example, you can look at your past analysis, and you can see that we have 77% of people who convert with one click, and 23% who needed 2+ interaction to convert. So if you used, for example, target CPA or smart bidding, you will lose this 77% of people who interacted with your ads one time and converted, because Google didn't have information about those people because they didn't search and they didn't click your ads before. So Google doesn't have these strong signals about that person. Of course, maybe when using target CPA, you will have better results than using manual and max clicks if you have enough data on your account. But to understand how this strategy works, you can see this, you can analyze this screen And understand that if you have 2+ interaction and this percentage of 2+ interaction is big, it's a strong signal that you have to use target CPA or target ROAS. But if you have this situation as we can see on the screen, it's better to test max clicks on manual bidding to check if it will work better, because Google won't have enough data because they convert it within one click. And tCPA, as I said, is basically a marketing campaign. It's here I have a proof. So as you raise your target ROAS, Google will wait for repeat customers and warm traffic. And here you can see standard shopping campaigns with target ROAS, and they are only 42-49% cold traffic. So basically, if you use target CPA, Google will wait for repeating customers, and that's it. Small budget strategy. If you have a very small budget, you have small business, and you don't want to scale, but you want to have just low target CPA, you can start with, of course, you can start with exact match and manual, because you don't have conversions to help Google find similar people. You can start with manual and exact, and when you have enough data, you can switch to from manual to target CPA or target ROAS and use exact match plus target CPA. But you will have small volume of conversion but a low target CPA. Once you reach 90% of click share with exact match and target CPA, you can switch from exact match keywords to broad match keywords, wait until you reach 70-80% click share with broad match and target CPA, and if you reach 80% with click share, you can launch max clicks to get those 80 people here that Google Syncs won't convert. So if you use this strategy, as I said, start with exact plus target CPAs and switch to broad plus target CPA, and then add max clicks with manual. So you will reach all the market with these strategies. And also I would like to share with you that we have systems that we created for Google Ads, email marketing, Facebook ads, and SEO. And if you want to check this Google Drive system, you can click the link below. Here we have, for example, checklist how to implement lead generation campaign from scratch. So here we have tracking, all about tracking. Here we have SOPs, how to track these conversions, how to onboard client, and everything for lead generation campaigns, and also for Google Shopping. Here we have folder for Google Shopping, and the same folder for optimization tips, for Google Ads conversion tracking for Google Shopping, and same for SEO. Here we have a folder for SEO, how to perform keyword research, how to implement on-page, off-page optimization. So here you have also full SEO checklist. And if you want to check the system, you can click the link below, and I will appreciate you to check out this system, because we were working very hard to create this very useful system. This will save up you about 90% of your money. So instead of, for example, paying $900 to senior, you can pay about $100 to junior, provide them with, for example, this Google Tag Manager instructions for Google Ads conversion tracking, and save up $800. So good luck and see you in the next video. Bye.